In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off all comments on your Facebook post, okay? The first thing you need to do is click on the Facebook application, then click on what's on your mind. And kindly guys, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful, okay? Then make your post. Let's say, hello guys. Hello guys, okay? Then click next. Then click on post, okay? Now click on your profile picture. Then refresh Facebook once again. Then click on your Facebook name. Then scroll down and locate the post you just made. Then click on the three dots here. Then click on edit privacy. Then click on see more. Then click on only me. Then click on the arrow back button. With this, nobody will be able to comment on your Facebook post, okay? Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.